Welcome to our channel. Today, we are exploring Microsoft Forms, a versatile tool for creating training surveys, online quizzes, and polls. Perfect for educators and trainers, it integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365. We'll cover how to sign up, create engaging quizzes, gather feedback, and analyze data. You can find the steps to create online exams and prepare online surveys in this video description. Let's dive in.
In today's digital age, technology is rapidly changing how we learn and work. Online assessments are becoming increasingly popular. They offer numerous benefits over traditional methods. Microsoft Forms is a powerful tool that is at the forefront of this digital transformation. It empowers educators and trainers to create engaging and effective assessments. Microsoft Forms makes it easy to create quizzes, surveys, and polls.
One of the most significant advantages of Forms is its automatic grading capability. Teachers can bid farewell to late-night grading sessions and reclaim valuable time. Imagine, no more stacks of papers to lug home. Forms instantly grade, freeing educators to focus on providing personalized feedback on open-ended responses. This automated grading feature not only saves time, but also ensures accuracy and consistency in assessment. Enter Microsoft Forms, a digital tool poised to revolutionize the educational landscape. Imagine a world where grading is automated, feedback is instant, and data analysis is a breeze. Its intuitive interface makes designing assessments a snap, while a variety of question types cater to diverse learning styles. But Forms is more than just a pretty interface. It's a powerful tool for enhancing the entire assessment and feedback process.
If you have a Microsoft account, you can use Microsoft Forms. Simply go to forms.microsoft.com and sign in. For educational institutions and businesses, it's often included in the Office 365 suite. Start by clicking New Form or New Quiz. To create a quiz, click New Quiz. Add various question types like multiple choice, text, and rating. Customize with images, videos, and branching logic. Share via link, email, or QR code. Automatic grading and feedback make it efficient for educators.
We will also discuss how it seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft 365 applications. One of the most significant advantages of Microsoft Forms is its user-friendly interface. Creating a form is intuitive and straightforward. Users can choose from a variety of templates or start from scratch. The drag-and-drop functionality simplifies the process of adding questions, images, and videos. Forms offers a wide range of question types to cater to diverse assessment needs. Multiple choice, text-based, rating scales, and even file uploads are readily available. This versatility allows educators to design assessments that effectively measure different learning outcomes. Distributing forms is equally easy. Users can share a link to the form or embed it directly into a website or learning management system. Responses are automatically collected and stored securely. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and ensures data integrity.
Click New Form to create a survey. Add different question types and customize with themes and sections. Ensure anonymity if needed. Share through multiple channels. Monitor responses in real time and export data to Excel for detailed analysis.
The future of learning, digital tools, empowering education. Microsoft Forms is just one example of how digital tools are transforming the educational landscape. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative ways to personalize learning, enhance assessment, and empower both students and educators. It's an exciting time to be part of the education revolution. The integration of technology in education is not about replacing teachers, it's about providing them with the tools and resources they need to be even more effective. By automating tedious tasks, facilitating personalized learning, and fostering student engagement, digital tools like Microsoft Forms are paving the way for a brighter future for education. Microsoft Forms, your partner in educational success. In conclusion, Microsoft Forms offers a powerful and versatile platform for transforming assessments and feedback in education. By embracing digital tools like Forms, educators can streamline their workflow, enhance student engagement, and create a more dynamic and effective learning environment. Let's embrace the future of education and unlock the full potential of every student. Remember, knowledge is power.
That's it for today. For more Edisphere AI content, hit that subscribe button. See you next time.